loves, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 must-have apps every fashion designers needs. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome, and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's dive right in. The first app is Pantone. As a creative, this is your go-to tool for building stunning color palettes. Not only can you pick out the perfect shades, but Pantone also gives you the exact color codes, making sourcing easier. If you're designing a collection or choosing a brand colors, Pantone helps you match, blend and stay on trend. And guess what? Pantone even released a color of the year that inspires designers, stylists and even brand globally. So if you're not sure where to start with colors, go check out Pantone. Number 2, Clo 3D, an app that brings your fashion designs to life. As you create patterns, you see them in real time on a digital avatar. But it doesn't stop there. Clo also generates a tech pack, cost sheets and even color variation of your design. So if you're manufacturing or building a fashion line, this tool saves you hours and gives you a pro level output. If you've tried Clo 3D before, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Next is Notion, the ultimate organization app. If you have tons of ideas, to-do lists or plans that feels overwhelming, Notion helps you sort it all out. From calendar views to shareable content boards, Notion makes project planning a breeze. Whether you're solo or working with a team, it's perfect for keeping your fashion brand organized and on track. A big shout out to Lisa, who asked how I got my creative ideas. One of my go-to platforms is Pinterest. It's a goldmine for visual inspiration, from fashion to makeup to interior design and art. You can save your favorite finds in folders, explore trending looks and building style boards for your next collection. Whether it's casual wears, pretty outfits or corporate style, Pinterest has it all. And finally, Canva. This is my everyday design app for creating branding materials, ebook, thumbnails and even more. It's super user friendly and free version is packed with a lot of features. But if you want the full experience at an affordable rate, reach out to Bethvisual via their email to access their shared premium plan. So check out the description box below for their contact. If you're looking for a Photoshop alternative, this is a Photoshop alternative that's quick and easy. So if you need help with Canva or Pinterest, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. If there's an app or tool you use that helps with your business or creative process, share it below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye!